How to enable the Copilot missing on the new update of Windows 11. Hey guys, and let's get started. To prevent the users from encountering this issue, Copilot in Windows might not have been available on devices that might have not been used or are currently being used in multi-monitor configurations. So here are two ways to enable the Copilot. For the very first one, open Registry Editor and go to this location which says Computer, H key current user, Software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer and the Advanced folder. Hit the enter button and here you should see Show Copilot button. Right click on it and click on Modify. Change the value data to 1 and click on OK. Once this is done, restart the computer and your issue should be fixed. However, if it does not, move on to second step. This is enabling Copilot on Windows 11 using Vibe tool. So open the GitHub's website for the Vibe tool and download it. Once downloaded, unzip the folder and extract all the buttons. Then after, you need to have these two commands. The very first one is given on the screen prompt. You just have to copy it. But remember, you need to change the path to the folder with your path. Then after, type in the next command to enable the Windows Pilot in taskbar, which is given on the screen. You just have to click on the enter button and after that restart the computer. And this way your issue should be fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.